Next topic. This one is really interesting. I really want to cover in today's podcast. So, bull semen. Yes, I said it right. Bull semen worth $50,000 stolen from California farmer's truck. Tanks filled with thousands of dollars worth of bull semen were stolen from a truck Sunday night, reports CBS Sacramento. Nearly 3,500 units of sperm were stolen from the back of Anthony Ree's truck late Sunday night, enough to potentially impregnate more than 1,000 cattle, according to the station. Rees had spent months collecting the semen, reportedly worth nearly $500,000 from his bulls, including one considered the fifth most prized bull in the world. You're trying to make a living. The loss of those units of semen, and probably taken by someone who had no idea what they were stealing, is very frustrating, he told CBS Sacramento. Collected two to three times a week, the highly prized semen is shipped to farms in California and across the world to impregnate cattle, according to the station. The animals are considered the cream of the crop and are selected from their genetic value. The genetics that these bulls have in them is out of the top 1% of the world population. Farm owner John Azevedo told CBS Sacramento over 70 to 75% of all cattle in the United States is inseminated artificially, Azevedo added. The tanks that hold the genetic material are reportedly filled with liquid nitrogen to be stored about negative 320 degrees Fahrenheit to keep the sperm frozen. The tanks must be handled by professionals, otherwise it could be dangerous, reports the station. Interesting. So let's go on to the next one. This is gonna be a
Hey everybody, it's your boy Skiz here. And if you don't subscribe to Blonde and the Unstoppable Denominator, then you are a toothy bumfuck, pussy ass bitch motherfucker.
In a six with the hicks and the firearms. You might come up.